Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how you can use layer property in AutoCAD. Before I begin, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Well, before I start, I am going to set the unity of my drawing to have the precise dimensions. So here unity, I choose decimal as well, and precision is 0, and unity scale inserted is centimeter, and then OK. Then after that I'm going to choose the scale. My scale is here. Then I'm going to take very little sample of the drawing. I'm going to draw a sample, but before I start with a sample, here there is a layer property. This is what we are going to learn. I'm going to teach you how to draw a figure or any structure or a floor plan in layers. In short details, layer is an important feature of AutoCAD which shows clearly the different structure or different drawing by daily names and colors. Layer properties help us to identify the different figures we have drawn in the AutoCAD workspace. As well as you know that in layer there are always one layer that cannot be deleted. So if you start any drawing, you draw in this layer, 0 layer. So before you start any drawing, you have to clear layer. My layer here is 0 layer. This is a current layer I'm using. And to create new layer, you have to come up here, and then click, left click, or left click, then here on new layer. Then you rename a layer. You name a layer is here. My first layer I'm going to rename as Windows. Then okay. Then to create again a new layer, you come up in the second layer, second features here on the layer, and then click, left click. You have a layer here. Then delete and rename doors. Then click enter. Again, in other process, right click and new layer. New layer. Then this layer I'm going to call it furnitures. It's an example. Then click enter. So here we go. There is a color here. You can set a different color in a drawing. Set different color in a drawing by layers. I'm going to change the color of Windows. Windows here, the color of Windows is, I'm going to choose the color of my Windows is here. I choose this one. Okay. Then doors, here I'm going to click, double click or left click on this layer color, and then choose color. On the door color I'm going to choose this one. It's Megant color. OK, and I'll click OK. You see here the color is changed. Again, on the furniture, I'm going to choose another color here. I'm going to choose yellow, then OK. So here on the 0 layer, I'm going to this layer cannot be renamed or changed because this is a current layer of property layer. So if I want, I can also create another layer and name it wars, then click enter. As you know that the wars, you can change the color of wars and put any color you want, but I'm going to choose white color, then click OK. Then to draw in the layers, I'm going to choose this war, to select these war layers, and I want to move this. I am going to select a war by clicking here. Then here you see here the war is selected, and then move out and layer. Then I'm going to draw a simple drawing, which has a simple drawing which has 10 meter, or it says 1000 centimeter. Then click enter to 500 centimeter, 500 centimeter, then 1000, enter and close. This is my object there. Then I'm going to offset the editor distance 20 here and here, again here, offset internal wars. This is supposed to be a wars, and then after I'm going to divide this into a word which has 500 centimeter, then enter, then here close. Oh no, you can close and end the subject, so I come and meet the line here, then remove the command. I'm also offsetting this 20 distance and offsetting it here, then control and save to save your work. Then here we go. I am going to teach you everything on a drone. Then after this one, I'm going to trim these lines. This closing line on my drawing, to offset them. Then I am trimming them, trim. So you see here I'm trimming, trim and trim. Then you control and save to save your work. Remember to save your work. So done. I am going to add another building here on the side, which has 400 centimeter to 300 centimeter. Then you meet the line here, the angle, then again offset the 20 is supposed to be wars, and here internal offset, then remove, and then trim the closing objects here, closing lines, press simple like this, and control and save your work. Well, this is my house. This is my house here. It's a sample to show you how you draw in layers. Remember that I'm drawing in world layer. If you click here, you can see the different layer we have created in property layers. So I'm here in world layers. This is what I'm drawing in. Then what? The next thing is to, so if I finish the work, I can go and select another layer. I'm going to draw windows. So I select the windows, come up here and select windows. You see here the window is selected, and remove this there, and then I'm going to draw a windows with that kind of color, and then draw the distance. You know, my window has 2 meter, then enter. The word distance of the word is 20, 2 meter again, enter, and close. So you know how to draw the window. I think you know the steps. Here I offset 5 here, and offset again 5 in here. Then read these external lines. I drew them. So then I finished my window. Then if I finish the window, I'm going to draw again the doors. Remember, we have a layer property of door. Here I'm going to select a door layer to draw in a layer of my door in color. I choose it. So here I am. You see here the color is changed. My layer is door, and then here I select the line and draw the door. My door has 1 meter, so here it has also 1 meter. Then move the command and go to arc. Select the arc and choose this is start, center, and end. So I go to my drawing, then start, center, and end. After that I remove this line, erase them. Then this is my door. So as you see, they are in different colors like I told you. So I'm going to put these windows, and just a sample. I'm going to put these windows in my drawing. You see here, I can select and move this one. I can put whatever I want. I can put here either, and here this door, and move at a small distance. You can zoom and see clear your drawing, then you can move it here. So again, you can move it. Yes, move here. So my window is moved here, and you can move also this door like I did to the window in the same way. So you can set this window here and trim the line closing the door, and fill those windows in the whole building, and then your drawing could be so good. So what I wanted to show you is a layer. A layer here, like I said, the next things is to show you that the layer you can lock a layer. I can lock this word layer. I can lock them if I want. If you lock your object, you cannot change anything. I can go to lock, to this lock, and lock it. So you see here is the appearance is no good. So I can also lock this door. I can come here and lock them. You see here it's also locked, and I cannot change anything. I can also lock the window here, also is locked. So everything here is locked, so I cannot change anything. So you do this if you want to keep your drawing safe against intruders or anyone. So here I cannot change anything. I cannot do anything with this drawing. I have locked it, and you can unlock them if you want. Unlock, unlock, and unlock. So here you can change anything you want. So you can also change the freezing of your drawing, or change the appearance. So this is how layer work. You can also create more layers and choose the line type here. You can choose the line type here if you want dashed or zigzag. You see the line type weight, so you can choose the weight of your line. So it's different but easy, and you can be very professional working with AutoCAD. So here we go. Next time I will show you how you can dimension the drawing. So thank you for keeping in touch with me. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.